Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Discover Lifestyle. It's all about you. Thank you so much for your beautiful comment. Thank you so much for your support. बहुत अच्छा लगा आपने इतने सारे कमेंट किया प्रोडक्ट रिव्यू के बारे में मुझे कमेंट्स है. So today I have a wonderful product. Perfume is always my favorite and perfume is the signature of a person. So let's go ahead for unboxing. कुछ नए प्रोडक्ट्स है हमारे ब्यूटीफुल जो मेरा ब्रांड है, जो मेरा फेवरेट ब्रांड है एक्चुअली, बिर्रा फ्रेग्रेंस. So let's go ahead for Dior's. Let's go ahead for a perfume also. King of clubbing, aqua, fresh, sporty, mild, musky. Each and every fragrance you will only get this beautiful brand. So let's go ahead. Let's go for the first product, which is Wild Side, and let's go for अनबॉक्सिंग. बाय द वे तो मैंने ऑलरेडी काट चुका हूँ ताकि मैं इसे इजीली खोल सकूँ आपके लिए. तो ये प्रोडक्ट है जो वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट, वाइल्ड साइड. यू सी, आई शो यू. सी दिस वन. सो इट्स अ डियो एंड हियर वी हैव परफ्यूम ऑफ वाइल्ड साइड एंड लेट्स गो एंड स्मेल दिस. दिस इज़ ऑसम गाइज. ये एक ऐसा ब्रांड है, ये एक ऐसा वेल ब्रांड ऑब्वियसली बिर्रा है, क्योंकि बिर्रा ऑलवेज गिव्स यू एथेनॉल परफ्यूम. अल्कोहल ज़्यादा नहीं होता है ये परफ्यूम्स में. बहुत अच्छा माइल्ड और इट्स कम्प्लीटली डिपेंड ऑन द पर्सन. अगर किसी को हार्ड परफ्यूम पसंद है, दे आर गोइंग फॉर हार्ड परफ्यूम, एंड किसी को माइल्ड मस्की, इट्स कम्प्लीटली अप टू यू कैन बाय इट. So this is one of my favorite Dior's and perfume. So this was Wild Side guys. बहुत अच्छा fragrance है इसका. You can wear this perfume anytime you're going for a party or a wedding. This is classy. Now let's go ahead for which they call that king of clubbing, going for a party, going for club. This one. So this is Exuberance. Let's check this. Okay, I love black color. तो ये black ये ऐसे दिख रहा है. So absolutely party fragrance. Going for a clubbing, going for party. This one is amazing. Now let me show you Beamish. ये जो प्रोडक्ट है ये अभी नए प्रोडक्ट है बिर्रा के. सो आई एम शोइंग यू. सो आई एम गोइंग फॉर दिस अनबॉक्सिंग. दिस इज रेड हॉट कलर Beamish. Okay, very you can say sweet, not very sweet smell, but very nice smell. Perfume, you can use it. It's very nice. अगर आप बहुत अच्छा स्मेल करते हैं, बहुत अच्छा फ्रेगरेंस आप यूज़ करते हैं, so people like it, वैसे तो today in today's world, in today's whatever nowadays people are using, they're taking care of their skin, hair, और साथ ही साथ में people have their own lifestyle. Grooming पे लोग बहुत ज़्यादा ध्यान देते हैं. So I would suggest you go for a good smell. If you talk about the celebrity, if you talk about any damn people, if they're using perfume, fragrance, it's a good impression by the way. So for more perfume, let me show you Voluptus. Well, this one is for female, and these almost all perfumes are unisex by the way, so anyone can use it, but especially for this this is Voluptus. It's quite sweet because it's a ladies perfume, female perfume, where female can use it. Now this one and Vivicious. Now this is also a female fragrance, which is very nice. I'm showing you also female perfume guys. So you can gift this perfume to your girlfriend or your your friend, your best friend, your family, whoever, but female. It's very nice. Mild and musky. It's very nice perfume. So these are the new product which Birra launched. Just I think 1 month ago. So let's go ahead for one more perfume which is Oud Essentially. इसके पहले Oud Essentially ये जो perfume था इसके डियोज हुआ करते थे. Now they come up with perfume. It's very light. It's very nice. Especially people who go for office. People who work in corporate, in organization, they can use this. Essentially Oud. I have also used this, but this is very nice, very mild and very musky fragrance, guys. This is awesome. For Oud series, I love Oud fragrance. वैसे Oud hard नहीं होता है. Mild perfume. You can choose it whenever you are going for a perfume. If you're buying a perfume, if you want to wear a good perfume, go ahead for. I would suggest you mild. Hard perfume, people won't like it. Let's go for now this Oud Obsession, which is very mild and musky woody. Complete corporate fragrance, guys, so you can use it anytime. This is a king of corporates, you can say. This is very nice fragrance. By the way, I have showed you an amazing perfumes of Birra fragrance, which is newly launched. जो इतने सारे perfumes है. Now, people say that perfumes are very expensive. Yes, absolutely right. The perfumes are very expensive. If you want to go for deos, you can go for amazing deos. For ladies, Oud Seduction, very sweet, very nice. For females, so I showed you. One is Voluptuous, one is Vivacious, and this one is Oud Seduction for girls. Go for it. This is amazing deo. If you are not buying a perfume, if you think that perfumes are expensive, yes, absolutely right, because वो fragrance है तो expensive चीज़ें तो होगी obviously. But if you're going for deo, which is very in your budget, you can say. So Birra is the brand which has ethanol, not alcohol at all. So Oud Seduction, which is for females. Let's go for now 3 more. So we have Oud Obsession. As I told you, Oud Obsession में perfume is also available और deo भी है. So the same fragrance, woody, musky and mild. So this one is Voluptuous again. Perfume भी है and deo भी है. So deo is also available. You can always buy it. I have been using this Birra fragrance. It's been, you can say, 1 year. Yeah, more than 1 year. And I really love all the fragrance. And I especially go for always mild and musky fragrance. So this one is awesome. Whenever you wish to go, just buy it. Go for perfumes, go for fragrance. I'm sure people will love it when you wear these perfumes. Check out Birra fragrance on Instagram. If you want to place an order, go ahead, place an order. So I am giving you a review of this amazing product. After this, if you think that you want me to go ahead for another product review, go ahead and comment on my channel, which is Discover Lifestyle. I am always with you with the fashion blog for places, new places, interesting things. Like it, share it, subscribe it. Always you are with Azhar Sheikh, Discover Lifestyle. In the meantime, heads up, chin up, smile. Take care, be safe wherever you are. Take care of your family and keep rocking.